Greetings. My name is Reverend Dr. Q English, and I'm honored to serve as the director of the Center for Faith-Based and Neighborhood Partnerships at the United States Department of Health and Human Services right here in Washington, D.C. I'm so honored to stand here today with all of you. It's not just a room filled with stakeholders. It's a room filled with change makers, dreamers, and doers who believe in the power of service and the possibility of transformation. Today we celebrate not just what we've accomplished, but the spirit and dedication that brought us here. You came to the Partnership Center for Faith-Based and Neighborhood Partnerships with needs to connect with resources, to find others doing similar work, to receive guidance, and together we met those needs. More than that, we built bridges, formed alliances, and made a real difference in the lives of countless individuals and communities. Some of you participated in focus groups, sharing your ideas and perspectives. Those focus groups weren't just discussions. They were the seeds of solutions, the sparks that ignited real change. From those conversations, we developed strategies that improved public health outcomes. Your voices, your insights were instrumental in shaping the work we've done at the United States Department of Health and Human Services Partnership Center. And as we reflect on some of those accomplishments, together we made strides in addressing substance use disorder and suicide prevention. Some of you were instrumental in the creation of public service announcements, PSA, that help spread awareness, offering hope to those struggling with mental health issues and the stigma surrounding it. You helped point them to 988, our national suicide and crisis lifeline. You were there helping to amplify a message of support and connection when it was needed most. We worked tirelessly on mental health, especially focusing on youth and Black men's mental health, maternal health, and suicide prevention, just to name a few. I'm so proud to share that we held the first ever convening here at HHS, 1 dedicated to Black men's mental health, 2 dedicated to Black maternal health, and 3 dedicated to improving mental health among faith leaders, where many were leading while bleeding. These weren't just events, though. These were historic moments, and you were there. You were there for another historic moment, when we brought faith leaders from across our nation together, talking about the intersection of faith and science. We witnessed these best models and practices that are happening in our houses of worship, and the eagerness from others to replicate these models so we can better serve our congregation members and community with their mental health challenges. We took time to focus on youth having their voices heard in our Can You Hear Me Now webinars, and concluding with a conversation with the staff at the White House and youth on how can we improve their mental health and prevent the alarming suicide rates among this population. You were there. You helped us create a space for dialogue, healing, and progress, setting the stage for future work that will impact generations to come. And let's talk about our Signature Moms Tour. Together, we reached over 15,000 pregnant and postpartum women and their families, connecting them to vital services and resources across the country. We focused on communities with high maternal mortality rates, making sure that no mother felt unseen and no family was left unsupported. You were there. You showed up, rolled up your sleeves, and made it happen. Your work doesn't stop at boundaries or borders. Many of you have worked tirelessly for your communities, for your cities, for your state, and for this nation. And you don't do it for recognition. You do it because you care. You do it because it matters. You do it because you're making a difference. And I want to take this moment to encourage you. No matter what challenges arise, keep doing what you're doing. Keep challenging yourself and others. Keep pushing the envelope. If a path doesn't exist, create it. Don't stop dreaming. Don't stop hoping. Because as long as there is breath, there is hope. So let's continue this journey together. Let's keep working, keep striving, keep believing, because the work isn't finished yet. There are still mountains to climb, still lives to touch, still injustices to right. But I'm confident that with all of you, we will keep moving forward until justice has cried her last tear. Thank you for your tireless efforts, your unwavering dedication, and your endless compassion. Thank you for being you. Together, we will continue to make a difference. So it's been an honor to serve you during this administration. Thank you.